Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today, I will discuss the topic what is ethical hacking? Introduction to ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is the practice of finding vulnerabilities in computing system and networks with the intention of improving security. It's legal and ethical. The importance of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is the practice of finding vulnerabilities and weaknesses in a computer system to improve its security. It helps prevent cyber attacks. The different types of ethical hacking. Network hacking, simulating attacks on networks, infrastructure to identity vulnerabilities. Web application hacking, testing web applications for security vulnerabilities. Physical hacking, attempting to breach physical security measures. Ethical hacking methodologies. Ethical hacking is the practice of using hacking skills for defensive purposes. It involves identifying vulnerabilities and improving securities. The benefits of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking helps identify security vulnerabilities. It helps organizations improve their security postures. It can prevent cyber attacks before then they happen. Thank you for letting me share my knowledge on ethical hacking with you today. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.